these projects can also be done in urban settings, and even in some very confined settings. One example of this is our Paxton Creek project. This was an MS4 sediment reduction project in the Harrisburg area. And the project itself is where this blue dot is here. It's in a public park called Veterans Park, right behind Pennsylvania Fish and Boat headquarters building right here. There's the valley down here with some of the worst erosion I have ever seen. It's just an incredibly narrow confined tributary with walls of sediment on either side that were 15 to 20 feet tall, just a bare wall of sediment washing down into the watershed and ultimately to the Chesapeake Bay. So I have some footage from a drone flyover post-construction, and you can see the habitat pools, the vernal pool we built in. We installed large woody debris, and we're able to restore this system to capture, retain, and address some of this sediment, the sediment issues in this watershed. And one more example of this is our Pine apartment projects. This is another site from that same MS4 project. And I just wanted to share just how urban the area is around this. It is extremely developed, but even in these developed areas, you can find corridors to do good work. And this is another drone flyover. You can see you've got braided channels in here, habitat pools, you've got vernal pools, large woody debris. And these systems, not only are they attenuating pollutants and nutrients and sediment, keeping those pollutants out of the watershed, but they're creating habitat. We've got great blue herons in here and insects and fish. It's just really cool to see in an urban context. And these sites can be aggregated so that in isolation, it's a small site, but when you aggregate those around an urban area, they can really make a meaningful difference in the health of the watershed.